So, welcome to WordCamp Sydney 2019. Thank you so much, everyone, for coming. There's been a lot of work put into this over many months, and it, I guess, wouldn't be possible without you, the attendees, so thank you. So I'm just going to quickly go through some things you need to know just to kick off the day. We're running a little bit behind with some technical difficulties, but that's okay. So who was here last year? Show of hands. Well, I don't know if you've noticed, but we're in a different building. But the same one as 2016. Coffee, we've got coffee coupons. We do have filter coffee out in the kitchen over on the right, but we've got coffee coupons to get barista coffee upstairs. They like that. So they'll be open from this morning up until the afternoon break. We've got the schedule. We haven't yet printed it and put it on the doors, but that will happen very soon. The schedule for the most up-to-date version will be online. So you can just go to our website /schedule and it's right there. We've also got the code of conduct up there. If you want to report any violations of the code of conduct, there's also a form there to do that as well. Toilets. So there's some toilets just out this door here, the left from the other left, from outside, and upstairs in the cafe as well. Please keep your valuables safe. We're in a public space, and it's shared with students and the public, so keep them safe. Wi-Fi, probably the most important slide. So it's a little bit different this year. There's no individual login like last year. It's a bit nicer this year. So the network is, take a photo of it. The network is UTS guest, and then a registration screen will pop up. Don't register. There's a little button called attend a conference. Click here, and then you can enter the password. Ask one of the green shirts if you have trouble. Everyone got their photos? Great. Our hashtag. So please post online, take pictures, take videos, post it online and use this hashtag. I think last year we had a trending hashtag in Sydney, so that was pretty cool. So post, post, post. I know that's not a green shirt, but we couldn't find one. It's green now. So volunteers and organisers are all wearing green shirts. If you have a question, need some help with something, need something answered, just ask one of us, and either they'll help you or they'll find someone who can help you. So this year we've got 5 organisers and a whole lot, maybe I think 5 or 10 other volunteers. I can't remember how many, but we've got a lot of volunteers. This conference is not possible without volunteers. None of us are getting paid. We all donate our time. Some of us organisers have donated over, I think, 500 or 600 hours this year each, and the speakers aren't getting paid as well. No one gets paid. This conference is for you. We put it on for the community, and we hope that you get some good value out of it. This event is also not possible without our sponsors. So I don't know if you've noticed, but the ticket price is very cheap. The cost per person is actually over $240, and the tickets are only $70. So it's a huge, huge discount, and without our sponsors, that's not possible. So our main event sponsor, we run under Linux Australia. They give us bank accounts, they help us with insurance, and run the whole event pretty much for us in terms of budget stuff. And thank you, Linux Australia. Our gold sponsors, so we've got Kinetics, WooCommerce, Jetpack, and Zuva. These guys are out on the tables out there. You can go and chat to them. They're really friendly people, and I invite you to go say hi. We've also got silver sponsors, Bluehost, HubSpot, GoDaddy, and Weglot. I don't think Bluehost, HubSpot, or GoDaddy here, but Weglot is here. Our bronze sponsors, WP Engine, Elementor, Cloudways, GFChart, and Kinsta. Networking sponsor, or after-party sponsor rather, the Code Co. In-kind sponsors, so these are guys who don't offer money, but more of a trade of service, and they're really helpful. Sticker Giant provide all of our stickers. Quilla helped us out with with the sponsor proposal, online proposal software. Get the word out, we did some press releases, and Pink Cow Social and Creative Compass helped out with some marketing. So, at the end of today, we've got, I'll provide some more information at the end of the day, at the closing remarks, but we've got an after party. It's at a different venue this year. So who knows where the big, ugly UTS Tower building is? I'm sure everyone's seen it. It stands out. At the base of that building, there's a little glass roof, and I'll provide some more information later, but that's where the after party is. It's called the UTS Underground. Also, we've got, so the day finishes at about 5 o'clock, and there's time to go back to the hotel, maybe get changed and get something to eat. We do have a bar tab and some canapes, but if you want to go get dinner, you can do that in the break. So just a little bit of stats. 93% of us are from Australia. We've got a few people from Canada, Czech Republic, and a few other segments there. Pretty cool. Within Australia, 76% of us are from New South Wales, which is cool. I think that's up from last year. We had more interstate people last year. We've got South Australia, Queensland, Victoria, ACT, and 5% of us are from overseas, which is cool. So, the percentages aren't there, that's weird. So I was looking at this year's, I probably should have put last year's one as well. Last year's was we only had 34% females here. So it's a huge increase this year, which is awesome. Now, what do we do? So most of us are business owners, which are great because we've got a lot of business talks on. We've got a lot of developers, designers, bloggers, editors, project managers, sales and marketing, administrators, copywriters, which is awesome. We've also got a bit of a graph for how you found out about WordCamp. So the biggest segment there is word of mouth, which is crazy. Expected, but crazy. Meetups as well. I don't know if you've been to a meetup in Sydney, a WordPress meetup in Sydney, but I think since April this year, we've been promoting it very heavily. So that's good. WordPress dashboard is interesting. And another WordCamp. Awesome. Tickets claimed over months. So our biggest month was October, although that's not really fair because we're only 2 weeks into November. So that's cool as well. And that's it. So thank you very much for coming. I hope you enjoy WordCamp from all of us organisers and volunteers. Thanks.